KJKZO Smart Dog Bark Collar with AI detection, 7 sensitivity levels, and beep, vibration modes, waterproof, rechargeable training solution for all dog sizes. Training your dog to manage excessive barking just became easier, safer, and more effective with the KJKZO Dog Bark Collar, a cutting-edge, humane solution designed for dogs of all sizes. Whether you're dealing with a vocal large breed or a sensitive small pup, this smart no-bark collar offers advanced features that combine technology, safety, and convenience into one sleek training tool. From tiny 8-pound dogs to hefty 130-pound companions, the adjustable strap and lightweight build make it an ideal choice for multi-dog households. At the core of the KJKZO Bark Collar is AI-powered smart detection, which sets it apart from traditional bark collars. Utilizing dual sensors that recognize both sound and throat vibration, this collar only activates when your own dog barks. No more false triggers from other barking dogs or surrounding noise, just precise, targeted training for your pup. It responds in just 0.1 seconds, ensuring timely correction before your dog gets into a full-blown barking episode. This immediate response mimics the natural timing of correction and reinforces behavioral learning with precision. The collar also offers customizable training modes, allowing you to tailor the experience to your dog's temperament. With 3 training combinations including beep and vibration modes, and 7 adjustable sensitivity levels, the KJKZO Bark Collar caters to a variety of environments. From quiet indoor apartments to active outdoor spaces. Whether you need gentle reminders for a nervous puppy or stronger cues for a more stubborn dog, this collar adapts to your training needs like a 24/7 personal dog trainer. Safety is paramount, and KJKZO delivers with its automatic protection system. After 7 consecutive barks, the collar enters a 1-minute pause mode, preventing overcorrection and ensuring your dog remains safe, calm, and comfortable. It's a humane approach that respects your pet's well-being while promoting effective behavioral change. Built for real-life use, the collar is IP65 waterproof, so your dog can confidently play in the rain, splash through puddles, or roll around after bath time without damaging the device. And thanks to Type-C fast charging, a full 2-hour charge delivers an impressive 20 to 30 days of battery life, giving you long-lasting, hassle-free use whether at home or on the go. With its powerful blend of smart technology, customization, and comfort, the KJKZO Dog Bark Collar is more than just a training tool. It's a modern solution to barking that strengthens communication between you and your dog. Say goodbye to noisy disruptions and hello to a more peaceful, respectful bond with your furry friend. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching my video.